I do.
There's something I want to ask you.
What will be that?
Can you use your father for money ritual?
Chineke, which kind of question be that? How I go use my pillar for money? Now what for you?
You see, there's this my friend. He used his father for money ritual.
Eh? How?
I don't know. He said he had an opportunity to make millions of naira and his father stopped him.
Why now?
I don't know. I think his father does not want him to use the opportunity.
So, the guy can't buy a pilabi?
Buy him once. As we speak right now, he's a millionaire.
Well, if I were in the guy's shoes, I would have done the same. Yes. I don't even need to make any inquiry about it. Even the Bible says, if your eyes prevent you from entering into heaven, pluck it off. So if my father will prevent me from getting rich, I'll kill him.
I am surprised. So you speak good English?
What be that? No, what be that? For your mind now, you speak English past me. As story you define. And because of say I grew up for Lagos, you know, for the
It's okay. Before you tell me how bridge did in Lagos, back to our discussion.
Sorry, no verse. I cannot kill my father without anything prompting it. He's an old man, so I should be thinking about myself and the future of my children. Or do you think I like the way we are suffering? Come to think of it, if my father had such opportunities, everywhere for those soft now. I know they suffer like this. I mean, if he's a big girl, no, they hungry me. Millionaire. Ross, I like know that you're French, huh?
Listen, you do not have a choice. Because if you fail, we all will go in for it. People are looking for it, praying for it, and it's here at your beck and call, and now you are pushing it away. Listen to me. If you refuse to accept this, you will remain poor forever. Listen to me. Wake up and accept this. Michael, I'm tired of talking to you on the same issue. I think it's better I save my breath. But listen to me. Whenever you make up your mind, call on me. But don't forget that you have already started this journey by killing the Igwe. Okay?
Michael, what's in they disturb you?
I feel for that man.
Which man? You feel for person where you don't know?
That's because I have feelings. You see, our people do not live that kind of life.
Michael, you know what I think now? I think how this matter they affect you. You know they related to them. Just that say the boy and your friend. Finish. I don't get what you know they tell me.
No, it's just that the man was a good man.
Good man?
Yes.
I hear. I beg. When they drink Panadol for another man headache. Yeah? Now what for you? You don't do. Thinking. Commissioner for thinking. They'll give you an award though. Commissioner for thinking for Nigeria. My if you know how they be now. My guy. Commissioner. You can think, sure.
Oh my brother, oh my brother, anana sansa.
Hey, where are you?
Officer, Sega, what do you happen now? Officer, no be so. No Nigeria go, no be so now. Get go. Where you? Officer, no be so now. Nigeria go now. Officer, I dey enjoy myself. Come on, boy. Where you? Go before you come back. Where you my leg for here? Officer, no be so.
Want to kill yourself?
We come back and enjoy myself. Wait.
See here like a willow dancer. Come on, shut up.
Sega, you come here very soon. Keep quiet there. President, do not be so.
You die for him.
Sega, you come here very soon. Sega, carry that criminal come out. President, do not be so. But today you come here.
Look at you.
Stop. Crying cannot solve anything at this time.
Why is everything happening to us like this? I mean, why is everything happening at the same time? What have we done to people?
I don't know. I know I may not survive this. But I can assure you that it shall be well with you.
May God forbid. How can you say that? You will survive this. Nothing will happen to you. You will survive this. Do you want me to die?
Who die?
Okay, don't say it again. Do not ever utter that word again. You will not die. Nothing will happen to you, please. I brought you food.
All I need now is just to die, not to eat.
No, stop talking like this. You will not die. No. Listen, please. You have to give me some time. This man is my husband, the only one I have in this life. If anything happens to him, I'm gone. It's not the long you brought him now. Just give me some time, please.
But let's just give us a little more time.
Please.
How do you always find trouble each time you come to this police station?
I'm not looking for trouble.
So can you just...
Looking for trouble.
She's not a troublemaker. She's see officer. See, a little more time.
You want me to not talk to you?
That is what I want. I'm not please.
Just go, don't worry. You're okay. Please.
Oh, mommy.
I need you more, and you know that. Wait now.
So put your hands in mine. We can walk the miles, no matter what the time. I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you, my baby, my baby.
What kind of rubbish is this? I should kill my father because of money.
What is money? My God, what have I gotten myself into? No. If this is how they make money, it is better they keep their money. God, please forgive me.
Who's going to deliver?
It's me.
You.
Yes.
Stretch out your hand. Come closer. Add it in the food. Drink or water, only him will take. If another person takes it, he or she will die with him. Do you have anything to say?
Yes. You see, the person in question is my father. And we're very close. The truth is, we dine and wine together. I don't see the possibility of him eating anything that I will not eat from.
In that case, I will give you what we call ndabui. With this, you can eat and die with him. Just lick it before you eat or die with him. Come closer. Okara akwa bara tule ndagede. Obra be ma dabula ma wala wa apole. Oga akara ka eruo.
Guy, what is it?
Nothing.
So fine, oh. Hey, this village will get one. Is it not this one you're giving me? No, take this one. Take this one. Like this one. This one is fine now. It's fine, I don't want that one. Okay, I just take that one. Which one are you? Check this. What do you call it? Jumpsuit. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, this is fine. The one you bought. Check the shoe. It's not enough for you. Still want to share this one. Don't spoil them all. The shoe is fine.
My son. Wow. Royalty is ours. Yes. I have never distrusted you. I know you'll get there.
Yeah, but I have big plans for you.
My son, I have never distrusted Hey, don't worry. It's not wedding this much. It is your portion. It is yours. Yes.
If I let me just die, what am I living for? Don't let me just die now. Baba, oh, hey, hey, Baba, Baba, oh.
My father is dead. Hey!
Oh.
Hey!
Who did this?
Hey!
Yes.
My father is dead.
Who did
My
this?
father is dead.
Oh.
My father is dead.
Oh. Oh.
Who can I rub it? Just like that. No, where will I stop from? Where will I stop from? Why will he?
Just like that, he died?
Honestly, just like that.
Hey! Someone is defying the land of Amangbo. What kind of deaths are these?
I don't understand. That is exactly what everybody is saying. From Igwe to Ikobo. Can you beat that?
Hey! May his soul rest in peace.
Amen. How are you? I hope they're no longer beating you in there.
Adam, beating is no longer my problem in that cell.
What?
I have become a bed.
What do you mean by that?
Every day in that cell is either somebody's resting their legs on me, or lying on me, or sleeping on me. That's what I've done to. Bed.
What nonsense! Well, I'm going there to win the
Go where? You think you can get in there?
I will get in there. I mean, excuse me. I mean, what is the meaning of all this?
Adeze.
Why are you people so happy I came here?
Adeze.
You have to warn those criminals. They won't kill my husband for me. What's the meaning of all this? Are you talking to me?
No, she's not. It's me she's talking to. Adeze.
Obi, relax. I am talking to you. I'm addressing you to go and talk to them. They cannot kill my husband for me simply because he's in the police cell. After all, he didn't do anything. He's not a criminal. What's all this? One more word from you, I'll get you arrested. That is exactly what I want.
No, now.
Arrest me.
Adeze.
Let me be with you. No. Obi, no.
Officer, don't mind now. Now, admit it.
Obi.
Officer, wait.
I understand. Obi, if I don't talk to these people, they will turn you
Everything good, everything nice. Yes. This is cooler. Enjoy yourself.
See, congratulations.
How many times you did tell me congratulations? My brother, enjoy your drink.
Wow. So tell me, how do you feel now?
My brother, the feeling is great. And you know, sometimes I just feel like I can fly. You need to see my shoulders the way I'm spreading. Eh?
I can see that.
Oh, take it easy. That's a royal drink. Drinking.
I can see that.
My friends, welcome.
My friends, you're welcome.
Thank you.
My friends, this one you did like this, what happened?
I am just admiring my ego Yibo one of a man called Kingdom. Please marry me and become the Lolo, the ego Yibo one of a man called Kingdom. Let me just kneel down.
No, my friends. It's a taboo for you to kneel before me. Yes, I'll marry you.
This is nice.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too. It's alright. Yeah.
Greetings, the Prince of Amanko Kingdom. You have achieved your aim, right? It shall be well with you. I claim it in Jesus' name. Amen. So, why did you bring me here?
Hey, I instructed them to bring you out here.
What for this time? To kill me?
Watch your mouth. I am the Prince of Amanko Kingdom. So watch how you talk to me.
Sorry, my prince. Good. I'm really sorry.
It's okay.
God punish you and your entire generation.
Hey! It's okay. Allow him to enjoy his moment. It's fine.
Onyaro, it shall never be well with you. The land of Amanko must never have mercy on your soul. You will rot and die a miserable death.
Take me out of this place. And never you bring me out here when this evil man comes here.
Just bundle him out. Listen, you allow him enjoy his moment. It's fine.
My prince, we are very, very sorry.
It's alright, but next time just get chains for dogs.
For sure. When next he tried this, we shall add more labor to him.
It's alright, we see them every day. This will not happen again. It's fine, it's fine.
You are sorry, sir.
It's alright.
I will never do that in my life, woman. Stop crying.
I cry because you have to do it. It's tradition.
No, I will never do it. I'd rather kill myself and end this whole thing than getting married to Michael. I don't love him. Please, stop doing this to yourself. You've suffered enough already, please.
Why have the gods forsaken me? Why do they want me to waste away in here and die for something I didn't do? Why?
I know you are innocent.
Why am I being held and punished for absolutely nothing? What did I do?
I know you're innocent.
What did I do? God in heaven, why?
I know, I understand you didn't do anything wrong. It's okay. Stop doing this to yourself. Alright? All I know is that my God will punish everyone that is behind this. They will never go scot-free. Please.
I don't understand. Ibe's daughter is somebody's wife. And you all know about it. Apart from that, I have the right to make my choice. I don't understand why you are trying to force her to me. Someone I do not have any atom of love for. Because of your tradition. A tradition that you created yourself. Now listen, tradition is like institution. You can amend it. So I ask you to amend that tradition right away because there is no way I will marry someone's wife. Besides, I have someone that I love. Someone that is precious to me. I already called her the Eko Ibo one of Amanko Kingdom. Abomination.
Abomination.
Any woman that will enter this palace in the name of your wife, except Ibe's daughter, is abomination. Let me also remind you that Wadiego is not legally married to Ibe's daughter. If that is what you think.
I'm not talking about Wadiego. It's like all of you have forgotten about the man from the city. But let me shock you. That man happens to be my friend. And I will ask you, has he returned the bride price yet? Huh? Has he returned it? Or don't you know that she still remains his wife as long as that same tradition you people are talking about is concerned?
He has a point. But I thought the young man told them that they should forget everything he did.
I heard something like that too.
Listen, forget about what you heard. My elders, I was there. He did not tell them to return anything. I think the best thing to do right now is to call Ibe. Onoja.
Yes, my friend.
Instruct the guards to go and call Ibe. Okay, ma'am. Yes. I know what I'm talking about. I was there. Let him come.
I am beginning to hate the elders of this community, including my father. I mean, what kind of rubbish is this? How can they force the prince to marry you? What kind of stupid tradition is this?
My sister, I don't understand. I don't just understand. He's married by force.
They can't try it.
He's married by force. Even if marriage is by force, not for the likes of Michael, may the gods forbid. I can never have anything to do with him. Never. Come on, Woro. Come on, Woro. What if again? My marriage is brought by force.
Greetings to you all. Adeze, where is your father?
What's the problem?
I don't know.
This one you're posing with knife like this. Were you asked to come and kill him?
How can he do that? Does he have that power?
I'm just a messenger.
Papa? Papa, please, you have a visitor. A palace guard is here to see you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I was sent from the palace to come and fetch you now.
Is there any problem?
I don't know, sir.
It's okay. Let me change to a better way.
Okay, sir.
Ha! Ibe is here.
My elders, I greet you. My prince, I greet you.
Sit down.
Ibe, you're welcome. Be seated.
Ibe, you know, traditionally, your daughter is the crown law of Amankwa Kingdom, right?
Yes, I know.
I want you to be sincere and honest with this question that I'm about to ask you.
Okay.
The man from the city that married your daughter, has he received the bride price back?
No. We have not returned the bride price because the man in question told us to forget everything he did for us, including the bride price.
Hey, don't lie, because I was there that very day. Don't forget that that man in question happens to be my friend. And it was my late father that stood as the middleman. So what are you saying? Because he is coming to take back his wife.
No, it is not true. It is not true.
Ibe, are you trying to say that I am lying? Huh? No, I'm a liar.
My prince, I have not said you are lying. You were there with your late father when the young man in question said we should forget about everything he did for us, including the bride price.
Ibe, I delivered the message you sent me. But there was something that Frank said, and I told him it would be better. Comes with me and say it before you people.
Yes. I want you both to understand everything I did for this family. Not because I want to pay back in the future. So when Michael told me you sent for me to come and get the bride price and the things, I didn't know. I don't want my back.
My elders, that is how it happened.
Ibe, send for the man to come and collect all he did on your daughter's head.
I will.
Michael, this is not our agreement. So don't even try anything rubbish with me. Come on. What are you talking about? What are you saying? After everything we've done together, you want to outsmart me? Listen to me. If you try anything stupid, I will make your life miserable. Frank, I have been trying to explain to you, but you just refuse to understand. Understand what? What do you want me to understand? We had an agreement, you're trying to outsmart me and you're telling me to understand? Listen to me. If you fuck with me, I'll kill you. Yes. Are you threatening me? I must be very stupid to threaten you. I'm standing before you, you're standing, and I'm standing, and I'm saying it to you. If you try to outsmart me, I will kill you. But you know you can't kill me, Frank. For real? Then try anything stupid. Try to outsmart me and see if I will not kill you. I swear to God. Listen, Frank, I don't want problem. I am still trying my best, but they said it's tradition. What tradition? Huh? Listen, you have to try right now. Try your best! Do better! Because if you fuck with me, if you disappoint me, if you outsmart me, get out of my house! Are you asking me to leave your house? I said get out of my house! Get out!
All right. Onoja, let's go.
This message could have come to you comfortably at your home if your middleman is still alive. May his soul rest in perfect peace. We sent for you. If husband and wife wants to separate traditionally in Igbo land, the bride price is returned to the man.
Oh yes, I'm aware of that.
We want to return the bride price of our daughter to you.
Is that why you sent for me from the city to come down to the village?
Oh yes.
When I got your message, I thought you called me to come and get my wife back. My guy, I told you, you cannot outsmart me. But if you think you can, then watch me cast you. Oh, my elders, all I want is my wife back. Not the money I spent on her.
My daughter said she's not going to marry you again.
Good. I see conspiracy. Yes! But you know what? I am ready for you people. Matter how you want it, I am ready for you.
Frank, I want you to understand us. Before our Igwe died, he crowned my daughter the Lolo of Amanko Kingdom. No other person except the prince of Amanko Kingdom will marry her, according to our tradition.
Liar! Liar! What tradition are you talking about? As far as I'm concerned, there is no more tradition in Igbo land.
Nonsense! Nonsense! If your people do not have tradition, we do have in our land. And I am the custodian of the tradition of this land. And indeed of Igbo land. What are you talking about?
Shut up! I don't want to hear anything from you. I am going now. But be rest assured that I am coming back for my wife. Rubbish.
Frank. Let him go. We know what to do. We can package the money and send to their people.
I called you here to congratulate you because our plan is working. But listen, you are playing with fire and that fire will soon consume you.
You see, Frank, I do not know why you have chosen to misunderstand me. Why have you refused to understand anything?
Because you are a betrayer. I decided not to understand anything from you because we had an agreement and you refused to abide by it.
I am not interested in your wife and I will never be. Crying out loud, you know my fiancé, so stop sounding as if I am betraying you.
Yes, you are. You're betraying me. You know what? I like the fact that you know the implication of what you're doing.
Listen, Frank, we had an agreement and that agreement still stands.
It's just that I do not have my way to make the pronunciation. I would have done that. Try and understand. Then persuade them to make you the king. That's why you need to understand me. That is the reason I am not coronated yet. How? They said she is the Lolo of Amanko Kingdom. Besides her, nobody else. The coronation date has already been fixed. But they cannot coronate me because I do not have a legal wife. Don't you get it?
I see. Oh, okay, fine. You know what? I'll tell you what to do. Get those elders that are your mouthpiece in the village. Give them some reasonable amount of money. Yes, spread the money, spoil them with money. Then they will abide by whatever you say. They will rule the matters over.
I think this sounds like a plan.
Yes. You see, now you have access to the palace account. So get money out of that account. Spread it. Share it to them. Then you have your way. Use the money to get what you want.
You see why I always call you the master planner?
Yes. So do it. Do it.
I've told you several times, it is not every situation that deserves your tears. Eh? Everything happening now is just temptation. Oh, and we must surely conquer. You know,
Mama, where have I gone wrong? Who did I offend? Am I the only girl in this village? Why is all this happening to me? Why?
Nothing is happening to you. Oh, wipe your tears. God is in control already. You know,
all I know is that I will never get married to Michael. Neither am I going back to Frank. I would not. Never.
I am solidly behind you. None of them will marry you.
So be strong for me. I'll be strong for you. Please be strong for me. I'll be strong for you. Please wait for me. My love, be strong for me. 'Cause when I look into your eyes.
Fumi, food is ready. Let's go and eat. Fumi, I'm talking to you. Fumi! I'm not hungry. Not again. In the morning you refuse to eat. You're not hungry. This is evening. You still don't want to eat. Let's go and eat now. Janet, I said I'm not hungry. You can't be doing this to yourself. You can't. After they've not concluded that the prince is going to marry a Daisy, all I expect you to do is to pray to God for God to do his will. Janet, I have prayed. I have prayed. Since you have prayed, then allow God to do his will. Please, let's go and eat. You can't be doing this to yourself. Get up. Just let's go and eat, please. Janet, I don't want to lose Michael. You will not lose. I don't want to lose him. You won't lose him. Trust me. You won't. Let's go and eat. Maybe by the time you eat now, Michael will come. Don't worry, yeah? Let's go and eat.
We can walk the miles, no matter
You won't
what
lose him,
the
okay?
time.
Let's go inside.
I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. My baby, my baby.
Listen, I propose to you. So why do you think that I will leave you and marry another woman?
I had his tradition, so you don't have option.
I have an option. I am a man.
Michael, tell me, what are you going to do about it? Are you going to change tradition?
Tradition was made by man. It can be amended.
It's not going to be easy.
It will be easy. I love you. You are the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. You are the one my heart desires. I came to take you to the palace.
What? You came to take me to the palace as what? As your wife or your wife to be?
I have a meeting with the cabinet members. I want to formally introduce you to them as my wife.
Are you serious? No, don't tell me you're joking. Are you serious? Like, oh my God! Thank you. Let me go and change into something nice, eh? I'm coming. Thank you.
My elders, you know when I said it that the man from the city, I mean Frank, has not given up yet on Ibe's daughter. Some of you said I was lying. Thank God that the last meeting that was held, Onowu here was present. So Onowu Biko explained to them what happened.
It is true. What he just said is true. I was present in the meeting at Ibe's house. The young man made it clear to us that what he wants is his wife, not the money he spent. He insulted us, he called us all sorts of names. It was obvious to us that the young man is out for trouble.
How I wish I was there. Eh? Onizara, what is he up to? Is it because he has money? Let him come and do his work.
I don't know why you people are afraid of him. Huh? Especially you, the prince. Is there anything you have with him in secret?
What's the meaning of that? Now let me make this clear. I am not afraid of anybody. And I do not have anything with him in secret. But if you check it very well, what he's saying is right. Because by law, he is actually right. The woman is his wife. So what are we not saying?
And that is by law. But we are talking about tradition here. My prince, whatever we discuss or do about this matter does not stop us from forging ahead.
Forging ahead with who?
With the queen of Amankwa kingdom. And
I am saying it here and I'm saying it again. I cannot.
You cannot. And stop sounding as if you don't know what tradition.
Hey, enough of this tradition. You want to block my ear with tradition. Let me even ask you, what is tradition? What do you understand by tradition?
My prince, tradition is a belief or behavior passed down within a group or society with symbolic meaning. That is tradition.
Well,
it was made by our ancestors. Not even your father and I can stop it.
Do you know that in this country we have what is constitution? Of course. And it was made by the pre-colonial masters.
Yes, sir.
And it was amended. Yes! The same thing goes by with this tradition. You are the head. You are the elders. You can amend it. What are we not saying?
My prince, stop comparing tradition and constitution. They are not the same.
I will compare them. 100 times I will compare them. Because they are the same thing. Tell me what is the difference? What's going on here?
In that case, you have to drop the kenchi so that we will choose someone who will comprehend and adhere to our tradition.
And that is the solution here.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. You will choose one.
So be strong for me. I'll be strong for you. Please be strong for me. I'll be strong for you. Please wait for me. My love, be strong.
care. Yes, no problem.
Thanks for coming out.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. So, anyways, very good. Washing back front.
Come on, Michael. Get a seat. Sit down. Let's talk.
I'm asking you a question. What is the meaning of this?
Hey! Don't shout at me in my own house.
I'll shout at you as much as I like.
You are in my house, so you have the right to shout at me.
You shut up. Keep your mouth shut.
Are you shutting me up in my own house?
Shut you up again. This is not the agreement. We have a discussion.
Hey, what are you feeling like?
Hey, listen, you just keep quiet. Stay out of this.
Hey! Keep quiet.
You laid your filthy hands on the prince? Shut up!
Prince Ndala.
Prince and their what? Oh, Christ! Oh, shit. I watch the prince.
Don't be say I dey think, oh. I just dey confused. Confused about how everything dey happen.
Confused or you are happy?
Why are you happy?
Your rival is nowhere to be found, so you should be happy. Yes. Yes, now.
But they will not kidnap her now. It's no good now. They will not kidnap her. Who even kidnap herself?
They ask me kidnap. Now me kidnap him. You better wait make Prince come. Maybe by the time Prince come, you go ask him who kidnap her, why they kidnap her. Then he go tell you the reason. We may go the ask.
Hi, Chukwabia. Why are all these things happening to us? How and where did we offend you? But if we did offend you, please forgive us and help us out of this situation. Because it's becoming too much for us to bear. Because Biko. Hi.
Come. How did you get the information?
Okay called me.
He did?
Yes, sir.
Okay, went there.
Yes, ma, he did.
It's okay. It's okay. Fix water for me to take my bath.
I'm about to get I'm about to get I'm about to get I'm about to get
Now listen to me. On no account should you tell anybody what happened.
Yes, my prince.
And in case of all these high service people come to ask you any question, tell them that we had an accident, or just cook up any good story. Nobody must know. Be in character. Hi.
Owa. Nna. Nna, can you hear me?
I don't know what this thing is turning into. I don't know what this thing is turning into.
Okay. Okay. Can we please see the doctor?
Okay. Let's go and see the doctor.
There's always a will to fight. Break your way out. Don't give up.
Brother Michael. Brother Michael, what is the problem?
At this point, I want to be left alone. Inform the guards. I do not want to see anyone in the palace.
But...
Just go, please.
Hey guys, get out, please, get out.
Okay, okay, it's okay.
God it was just beaten. But why would they beat you people like this? Or did the prince refuse to give them money?
Yes, now. The man refused to give them money. In fact, if you see the gun that they brought out, they wanted to kill us. Before he brought out money.
Prince Michael.
What was his reason?
I don't know. You know, the prince is very stingy.
Had it been you who were killed, would you have lived to enjoy the money?
I wonder, what should I look out?
Hey! Heartless arm robbers.
Yes. Very, very heartless. Those arm robbers are heartless and they will never go unpunished.
Yes. Yes.
They will not go scot-free.
Yes. Yes.
Onoja.
My princess.
What is going on here? And why is the prince not responding to me? Why is he not talking to me? And meanwhile, why is your face like this?
My princess, if you see the beating we received today, armed robbers attacked us.
My goodness. Armed robbers?
I'm telling you. Jesus. Just beat me. Won't clear my 2 legs. It's God that saved us.
Hey! Chai. Thank God they didn't kill anybody. Hey! No.
Sorry.
My princess, can I ask you a favor?
Go on.
Can you just help me tell some of the maids to pour hot water and massage my body for me?
Okay, I will.
Thank you, my princess.
Sorry.
Easy. One of them gave me this place is complaining me now.
Sorry. Let me go and tell them.
Thank you, my princess.
Oh?
Yes, my princess.
Okay.
Why are you lying down here? Why are you lying down here? Am I not talking to you? Go inside, freshen up, wear your nightgown, make everywhere stew. You saw what happened to Michael and his guard here today. If you don't want more of it to happen to you, then go inside and do what I said.
Like I care.
Jack! Yes, boss.
Mom, don't touch me. I'll go.
Fainted and he was taken to infirmary. After 2 days, doctor confirmed that he has lost his memory.
Are you serious?
Yes.
That's good. I mean, God is good.
So he has to be released or we'll send him to the promised land.
That's it. To the promised land. But
the man's spirit is strong, we cannot kill him.
I don't understand. What do you mean we cannot kill him?
He has a strong spirit. that will definitely affect you afterwards.
So?
Don't touch his blood. You may look for another way to suffer him. Let him die on his own, maybe with the suffering. But for you to shed his blood, it will affect you.
Alright, it's okay. You see, I was warned not to shed his blood. That's the problem.
In that case, he has to be released because we can't hide him any longer. Of course.
Yes. I mean, release him. After all, he has lost his memory and he cannot remember anything. You see, that way the people will believe that he actually killed the Igwe.
You have a point. So that people will see him as nemesis.
That's it. You're right.
So,
Ross, have fun now.
Good.
Sure? I saw this thing serious. No be small thing they do you, my guy. No verse, no verse. Yeah, no verse, no verse. No verse. But what's me then do this kind of thing to you now?
I don't know. How do you expect me to know? Daddy have no boss now.
For me, I don't know say you stingy. Why you no give them what they want now?
You see, I can't just imagine myself giving them all my money just like that. I mean, I was just trying to argue with them so that they can maybe leave me, you know?
You see waiting how they talk. You no be stingy person. If you just give those fine boys some money, make them leave you. Oh no, you no agree. See what they can't do you now. You know say for last give the one we there, if they come our house now, so we the follow them, they beg.
It's okay, it's okay. I know everything for last give.
Okay. Oh, no verse. No verse. Sorry,
Thank you. When you take it easy, you know be everywhere you see, they sit down.
Okay.
So you go sit down for throne.
No verse. No verse. No verse.
He wants to kill me. Because you're the number, because and when you're married, I said the number, don't let him kill my husband. He's almost dead there because then look at the way they're beating me. Look at my back. Because you're the number, tell them please stop them now, own them. Because they're not, because oh hi, no Frank, look at your husband now because Frank Bigo.
Hey, where are you going? If you're going inside.
I am not going anywhere, please. Leave my way now.
You want to join them? You want to join them outside so those boys will beat you up?
Those dogs you call your boys are beating my parents and you expect me to be in here?
Sure.
Are you not wicked? How cruel you can be! Excuse me.
Go back. Go back! Don't let me lose my temper! Go back there now! If you don't want to see the beast in me, go back there.
If you also don't want to see the beast in me, leave my way!
I said go back inside.
My elders,
Even no.
I went to the city with my wife. This is what I got.
Hey!
My wife and myself were so beaten like kids.
Hey!
At the end, we did not even come back with our daughter. I am reporting this matter to you because I do not know what to do next.
Now, when an elephant claims to be the king of the jungle, other animals will celebrate his funeral.
Oh yeah.
I am saying that because of what he just said. My elders, remember the last time I told you I went to see Frank? I came back with one injury, yeah? One injury, yeah? I did not have any accident. Do you know that he sent his men to beat me and my Onoja mercilessly? It wasn't an accident. Neither did any Abuba attack us.
Ndichie, this is no more a fight between the mother and the child. We have to do something about this now.
In this case, you have to follow him traditionally.
Traditionally? Yes. What do you mean traditionally? Huh? Hey, who is Frank that we are following traditionally? Huh? No, I'm asking you. Or is it because I did not react? Because I'm giving you stories that he said to stop to hit on a very normal day. Can Frank handle me? Huh?
Sorry about that, our prince. This time around, the young man is facing 2 offenses: kidnapping our daughter and laying his filthy hands on our future king, which is an abomination.
It's a sacrilege. We will not allow this to happen.
You know what? At this point, I want to take it to another level. I want the government to handle this. No, I will get him arrested.
Involving police in this issue is to prolong it. Yes.
Well, okay, what do you think we will do?
Omenane, we are from Amankwo. Like you rightly said, we have to follow him traditionally. Onyemba ayara bia na bany bia were onodo. Mbano. Ndị Igbo si na anụ ba ajọ ọsọ. Eme ya gịnị? Anụ ya kaka. Maka gịnị? Ebe. Ogotan.
Where there's a will, there's always a way out. Stand on your ground, don't you ever give up now. Yeah. 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 There's always a way out. Stand on your feet. Don't you ever move an inch. Time will try to wear you out. Where you are. They will try to break you down.
Welcome.
Ogom, how are you?
I'm good.
Am I marrying anybody in your house?
Who are these people? Ogom. Ogogin woke o. Okonumpa Daisy. Daisy. Is there anybody by that name? Do you know anybody in that?
They are Daisy's parents. Your wife.
Ashibakwa. Am I married before? Married before? No. No, not you, no, after. Dara.
Okay.
Mama.
What is the meaning of this?
My doctor said he will be fine. The doctor said he will be fine if he continues with the prescriptions.
Like this?
Yes.
Hey! What did I do to human beings for them to do this to you?
Imantoni, on a bed. Everything come. Everything.
Mama, please, just stop crying. What he needs now is prayers. Not you coming here to cry for him.
Tony! Hey! Idiot!
Owa, please.
Mango!
Yes, boss.
What is this?
Onif, I'm confused at you.
You're confused?
I don't know what happened.
Huh?
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
You're confused? You know you're gonna protect me?
No, I'm so sorry.
You're sorry,
Yes, boss, I'm sorry. Sorry, it won't happen again. I don't know what happened. I'm sorry.
Start arranging it right now.
Yeah, boss.
So this is where you are. Listen to me. If you like, burn down this whole house. Destroy everything in this house. That will still not set you free. It will still not allow you to let you go. But remember something, that whatever you destroy in this house, I will sum it together and add it to the money your parents are owing me, and they must pay. Yes, they must pay me. They must pay me.
song of victory in the horizon. Victory belong only to the brave. 'Cause victory comes only to the brave. Time will try to wear you out. Where you are. Don't you lose your charade. Be strong.
Yeah. That's not what we are doing. I don't know why you are changing mind. What do you do? I have told you to stop talking when stop talking whenever others are talking.
For really like children, my elders. I greet you all.
Greeting one.
The prince asked me to give you this. He's in the bedroom taking his bath. Meanwhile, he'll be with you shortly.
Okay. Go and bring glasses for us.
That's only what you know. Huh? You, a young boy, sitting with an elder, asking for glasses. That's only what you know.
We are here to discuss and iron out.
My elders, hello. I'm Adena.
What a shame.
Osnogin.
Whose son is he?
Yeah, come here. Come here.
What's happened?
No name anya kapus.
Welcome.
Where is your father?
He woke up why?
I said, who is your father?
Ha!
And who is your father?
Which one I want first answer? Where or who?
Oh, if I said a palace, it's here that's a hill. Hey, people now.
Let me ask, are you a girl or a boy? Tell us.
Don't make me verse, so. Don't make me verse. Which kind of question be that now?
Do you realize you are standing in front of elders that matters in this kingdom?
Wait, this one they do me, I don't understand. What be that now? What be that? Say I tell una say I am the batman I don't comment. When I make me verse, so when I make me verse, I change am for now, eh? For last give me one and there. If I dey get for here, I dey scatter everywhere. What be that now? What be that? Eh? When I make me verse, so what's in? I'm not going to now. What's in? Now you call me. What make you call me? Talk. If you don't like know who I be, let me be Prince Michael Chenkes. Law not to be for this town. Now they hear me so when I don't make me verse. Man, not change up all of you now.
Osno Chenkes. Osno Michael Chenkes. Eh? Ono Chenkes.
Ah, Chenkes, you be the general akwọ. Nenu, ona kata ina aba. I am an elder. Look at.
No, what is Chenkes?
Aga dana katanga.
Fumi, what is all this? Look at the kind of embarrassment these elders have given to you. Do you like it? My brother, the prince, bought so many beautiful clothes for you, but you don't even want to put them on. Why? Okay, fine. Where are the special clothes that was given to you by my brother? Fumi, I'm asking you. Fumi, what I'm trying to say is that you're not supposed to be dressed like this. Fumi! Fumi!
Where the hell do you think you are going?
Please, I'm sorry. Just allow me to go. I've not done anything wrong, please.
Before the count of 2, just get back inside.
Where you? For your mind there, is this if you talk any Abby?
What is the meaning of this?
You see they speak English. You see they speak English. You see they speak English. Go over there. You see they speak English. Eh? You dey talk to me now. You dey talk to me now. You dey talk to me now. Eh? You dey mad?
I don't know who of this kingdom.
Hey, I don't die. I don't die. See they speak. I don't die. I don't die. I don't die. You speak English. You mad? You mad? You Chris. You my mother. For us good here. That's how they get this guy is not the you mad? You mad? You Chris. Yes, sir.
You be cool. Yeah, don't grieve.
Now you know, eh? Okay, tell us your fellow members, eh? Now they come for their love. You know what they're you Chris. It's what? You know, I have to be like this, so, eh? You know, my mates. You know, wish me beats. Tomorrow, I'm not sorry for you. But if you try that next time again, eh? I got you to fuck off. Say, bitch.
I will tell them you are a good.
Stand up. Stand up. Follow me.
Hello.
You will have to face him today. You will face him. Let's go.
You, what did my dad do to you?
What did my dad do to you? I mean that, you. What's it be that? No, what's it be that? You won't receive yours. No, you won't call it. What's it be that?
You the mad? I mean you crazy?
You were? Sorry. You know what matter? Guy, eh? For last giddy, eh? And they go everywhere. There's something everywhere. Someone turning out for you now. You the mad?
You the crazy?
You asked me the same question. No.
You
asked me the same question.
No, for me.
You asked me the same question.
Please,
no. No. The motion is better than mad. You the crazy? What is better than mad?
For me.
For me. Shit. Oh yeah.
Wait for me.
Touch me. Touch me. Stop.
Please, now only my sister. The Chris. Okay, I'm sure it's there. Only believe my girl for last week, please. Come on for us.
You the mad?
Come on for us. Please now. Just go, please. Just go.
Go. Fight.
So be strong for me. I'll be strong for you. Please be strong for me. I'll be strong for you. Please wait for me. My love.
Papa, what is all this now? What is all this? You both know that I love Wade so much. Why are you pushing me to marry Frank? Why?
Adeze, Frank has done a lot for us already. You know how he paid my hospital bills? Biko, I don't want us to disappoint this young man. Biko, for my sake, marry him.
My daughter, we do not know Frank's intention when he was coming here. He came in as a friend through Michael. He brought hope when there was no hope. By paying your mother's hospital bill. Ada, you are aware that 3 of us put together, if we were sold, we will not even make the money to pay the hospital bill as at that time. All he's asking is for us to approve his intention to marry you.
And I said no. Majo. Papa, go and tell him that I said no. I will never marry him. Are you going to live with him? No. Shebi, I'm the one that's going to live with him. Mama, please, let this be the very last time you people will call me out for such issues. Because I will not agree. I will not.
Adeze, ya na-ekwu ihe a ka esi n'ụdị a n'ịnụkwụkwụkwa.
Don't you ever come to this house again.
Why? What have I done? What is wrong?
Adeze is getting married, so stop coming here to look for her. I said leave.
Stop now. Stop doing this. Don't mind her. I'm not getting married.
Are you serious?
I said leave. You didn't hear me.
Mama, see,
I don't like this.
Please wait for me. My love, be strong for me. Cause when I look into your eyes, I see forever. Where there'll be no.
Remove what? Leave me alone. What's that?
What's your problem?
What do you mean, what's my problem? Don't touch me.
Hey. Come on. You can't run anyway. Listen to me. It's good for you to go there, remove your clothes, open it down, make it always stew.
You must be out of your mind. I'd rather die in here than to have you touch me. Don't try anything with me. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. I'm begging you, don't do that, please.
Officer, don't listen to anything this man is telling you. You'll be inside. Go in and bring him out. Yes, please. Aha, that's the man.
Mike, yes. You brought police to my house to arrest me?
Yes, and that is because I want the law to take its course. Now follow them.
I'm Inspector Ben from the state headquarters. You're under arrest for the case of kidnapping.
Michael, are you sure you know what you're doing?
Of course I know what I am doing. And when we get to the station, we'll sort this out. Officer, bundle this man!
Hey, Hey.
Hello, Frank. How are you?
I'm not fine, sir.
What happened? Are you alright?
Some policemen are in my house to arrest me.
For what?
I don't know. My friend Michael brought them to my house.
Alright, give one of them phone. Just give one of them phone. Let me talk with them.
Alright.
Hello?
Hello, I'm Inspector Ben from the state headquarters.
Yes? Give him phone. Let me talk with him.
Yeah.
You see, these people are from the headquarters, okay? Just don't make trouble with them. Go with them soon. I'll be with you. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So where's the girl?
Get out of this. Listen, what are you saying? What do you mean? Why would I get out of this? Hey, keep quiet. Listen, I'm the one controlling this room.
Go in and bring that girl. Officer, go and bring her out. Are you mad?
Yes! Make
Please,
it! Stop that to do anything. Shoot him!
Shoot his balls! My girl, useless man.
How many balls? Who's the fight? Ah, that's the girl. Hey, yes. Arrest him. Bubble him! Are you okay? Mike, if you touch me, I will tell them to shoot your ball.
Move this man, he's dangerous. I'll use my car. Don't touch me. I'll go with my car. Let's go. Let's go. Don't worry.
Mamaka.
No. Sit here. Even sit. Hey. How are you?
Go and prepare food. We have not eaten since yesterday.
Hi. Let me get something. Oh, just calm down. Oh, okay, let me bring it.
And this is okay.
Please wait for me, my love. Be strong for me. 'Cause when I look into your eyes, I see forever.
What's the meaning of that nonsense? Who are you?
Why are you pushing me? It's me, Adeze. Why are you asking me who I am? Don't you know me anymore?
I don't like that embarrassment. I don't know you. How can you just jump on me like that?
Oh, how can you talk to me like that? I mean, have I done anything wrong to you? You must be kidding.
I said I don't know who you are. Please leave this place now.
You don't know me. What do you mean you don't know me?
Calm down.
Austin, what's happening here?
There's a calm down. Wadwegu is not in his right frame of mind.
I want to understand. What do you mean he's not in his right frame of mind?
The doctor confirmed that he has lost his memory.
Memory?
Yes.
How? Okay, fine. It's me, Adeze, your love. We've shared so many things in common. It's me. Austin, what are you saying? Are you trying to say that he will never recognize me again or what? I mean, what is happening?
I'm sorry.
Abiana Munso, Pico.
Ada, as it stands now, both heaven and earth knows that this whole thing is not working out. And it's not your fault because you've tried. What I can say in this whole thing is that you and Wadegu are not meant to be together.
Then it's best I die.
Makagini?
Yes. I'd rather die than to have anything to do with that monster. I can never get married to Michael. Amaka, I hate him so much and I hate everything he represents. What are you talking about? Okay, come to think of it. Put yourself in my shoes. How can I get married to a man that I detest so much? A man that I cannot lie on the same bed with. A man I cannot eat with. A man that have done so much wrong to me. Don't you understand? I mean, why is everyone not understanding me? Why is everyone not considering my feelings? Why?
I don't know. Everybody does. But what we're talking about here is tradition.
What tradition?
You can't beat it. You can't.
What nonsense tradition are you talking about? Okay, fine. Let's say I get married to Michael. What becomes of my Uwa? What becomes of him?
Ada, I think Uwa is going to understand. He will understand. Ada, listen, this is tradition.
I don't want to hear.
Ada, do you know Uwa is no longer with his senses?
Oh no! Don't tell me that! Amaka, please don't make this worse for me. He will come back to his senses. Please.
Ada, I understand how you feel, but you just have to understand this whole
You obviously don't understand. If you do, then you work with me.
I'm trying, but this whole thing is not working out. Can't you see? It's not working out again.
I don't want to hear that. Please be positive. It's going to work.
It's okay.
It's going to work. They're not done enough, see. They're not.
You need to understand this whole thing.
I don't want to.
It's okay.
Well, there'll be no more sorrow for you and me. When I look into your eyes, I see forever. Where there'll be no more trouble for you and me. So be strong for me. I'll be strong for you. Please be strong for me. I'll be strong for you. Please wait for me. My love, be strong for me. 'Cause when I look into your eyes, I see forever. Well, there'll be no more pain. No more pain. Baby, we can fight together. Fight together. And win together. As we together. Baby, we can win. Oh, we can win. Yes, we can win. We can win. Let's fight this together. Baby, we can win. We can fight this together.
If not that today is Sunday, you would have gone home with me. But I promise, first thing tomorrow morning, you'll be released, okay?
Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Alright.
What is it?
Oh, yes. I can't wait to wait for tomorrow. I need to expose Michael before his coronation.
Expose Michael?
Yes.
I don't understand.
Yes. Michael is the one that killed the king and his father.
Jesus Christ.
Are you sure about what you are saying?
Yes, 100%. Very sure. Everything happened in my very before.
Jesus Christ. I'll be happy to meet him in the court.
Kingdom. But before I proceed, let me specially recognize and appreciate our prince and his noble works that he has been doing in this kingdom. He has intensively and single-handedly ensured peace and justice in Amakwa Kingdom. My prince, today, by the powers conferred on me as the owner of Amakwa Kingdom, I hereby grant you Eze Agune Chamber 1 of Amakwa Kingdom.
Michael! Okay,
We gave honor to Jachab to put on the Igwe's regalia. Onoja! Same regalia. Wadiego fought for him.
Onoja!
People of Amakwa Kingdom! People of Amakwa Kingdom, I am sorry. Please forgive me. It is the work of the devil.
What is it? Are you okay?
Okay?
Come, what is wrong with me?
Here. Why you are sick? I brought your drugs.
I'm not sick. Where is Adeze?
Adeze?
Yes, where is Adeze?
Owa, Adeze should be at the palace.
At the palace?
Yes. Yes, Owa. Owa, wait, let me. Owa.
When I realized that I cannot be the king while my father was still alive, Papa! Papa! Please come, let's have some drink. I killed him.
Calm down, don't go. Michael!
I killed him.
He killed his father and the king.
I am overwhelmed with joy for today. My heart is full of gratitude that finally a day like this has come. There is a saying that justice may be delayed, but it will never be denied. There is also a saying that what must be, must be. That is why, with a heart full of gratitude, I thank you for reposing your trust in me and making me your king. I promise to lead with diligence, justice, and fair play. I promise to carry everyone along. I promise a prosperous Amankwo. Oga the line Amma. Oga the line Amma. Oga the line Amma. Now let the celebration begin.
see tomorrow. Well, there'll be no more sorrow for you and me. When I look into your eyes, I see forever, where there'll be no more trouble for you and me. So be strong for me, I'll be strong for you. Please be strong for me, I'll be strong for you. Please wait for me, my love, be strong for me. 'Cause when I look into your eyes, I see forever,